In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Rolex Submariner Clasp. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open and adjust the clasp on your Rolex watch. I'm going to be giving you instructions related to the Submariner, but these instructions should work for other models of watches as well. So, to undo the clasp, look for this particular spot. You will be able to tell because it is going to have lines and somewhere that you can grab onto, usually the Rolex logo right here. So all that you have to do is find this little latch and pull it upwards. When you pull this latch upwards, it is going to come loose and open like this. So now you will be able to access the latch and adjust it around the strap. So once this part is open, you will now be able to undo this safety part here. So with your finger, grab this part and then pull it out. This will expose the bracelet here like this, and it is going to open fully. Now you will be able to adjust it according to your preferences. You can make it longer or shorter to better fit your wrist, and you can do this as many times as you wish. Most watch models will have this clasp here, so you open it first, and then you undo that safety one below. By undoing this one, it is going to come apart like this, exposing the entirety of the bracelet. So now you will be able to do any sort of adjustments that you wish. Afterwards, undo the whole process, so you bring this part back into the safety mechanism. It is going to click into place, and then you do this lid and close it back up. Once it is closed, it is going to remain like this. The finish shouldn't be damaged, and you will have adjusted your clasp. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove Rolex Submariner Clasp. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.